We are in Whitney Point, New York. We're at an open Radio Shack. Yes, you heard that right. So there's the sign up there. Let's check it out because we haven't been inside an open Radio Shack in a long time. Looks like it's partnered with a hardware store. What looks like the Radio Shack section is over here. You've got record players. That's pretty cool. Maybe when I'm settled down, I'll do records someday. Because, as I understand, the new ones have pretty high quality sound. Look. Look at that. Got Radio Shack on Radio Shack logos on all of this stuff. Isn't this cool? Seeing all this old, well, new Radio Shack stuff in an open Radio Shack, even if it's a sub-store in a hardware store. It's pretty cool to see all of this Radio Shack stuff right here. Like, you can actually walk into a Radio Shack and buy Radio Shack stuff. So yeah, I think that's gonna do it here from this open Radio Shack in Whitney Point, New York.